I'll be home. Who the fuck am I kidding? Loot Crate. Let's do this. First Loot Crate I ever got. So it's the Galaxy one, I believe. I got it because it was Halo, obviously. I got a thing for Halo. So let's do it. Let's drop this camera down real quick. Let's see what's in this bad boy. Oh, this is a shirt? Oh my goodness. What is this? What is this? Oh, that is awesome. Can you guys see this? Look at this shirt. Look at this shirt. That is sick. That is super sick. Wow. Whoa. What is this? What is this? Oh my goodness. Hold on, I'm opening that after. What is this? I got a supply rec pack? They gave me a rec pack. What? Halo 5. A chat with producer Chris Lee. An interview. Sick. Awesome. That's super cool. The box itself is pretty damn cool too. Loot Crate, Loot Cryo. Okay, so let's open this bad boy up real quick. What's in here? How to do this? Let's move this out of the way. Oh, sick. I keep saying sick. Sorry. It's not the 90s anymore. Is this... Could this be socks? I got BB-8 socks. No ways. I love socks. What is this? I got a Galaxy Quest patch. Hell to the yes. That's awesome. What is this? What pin is this? Loot Crate pin. Galaxy. December 2015. Alright, let's see. I got Han Solo in snow gear. That is awesome. It's the bobblehead. That's great. This is great. The bobblehead. It's a Loot Crate exclusive. Han Solo in snow gear. Awesome. Look who was on this collection. It's kind of crazy. Got that. Got this awesome tin, which is legit, if I may say so myself. Galaxy Quest patch. BB-8 socks, which is awesome. I love socks. Loot Crate pin, and then this. It's an awesome shirt.
I have to talk to you.
So yeah, that is the December Loot Crate. Got interrupted. I can't make a video without getting interrupted in this house. It's crazy. It's really ridiculous. Anyways, see you guys later.